Hello, I'm Tammy and welcome back to my channel. I would just like to share with you how to use the Swiffer heavy duty wet cloths in the Lavender Febreze scent. It has an ultra lock trap pad at the bottom and it traps a lot of dirt and dust, which is great when you first move into your apartment and you have boxes everywhere and there's dust everywhere. These wet cloths have come in really handy. It's so simple. You just take the wet cloths out of the package and you have the mop that's sold separately. The mop has little grooves in the mop where you can stick part of the wet cloth in it and it'll stay put. It won't slip or slide. You can just, as you can see as I'm mopping, the pad isn't coming out of the mop at all because there are little grooves in the mop where you can stick the wet cloth into. I'm just going over the kitchen floor one more time because, like I said, I just moved into this apartment and I just wanted this floor extra clean. And there was so much dirt and dust on the first wet cloth. I wanted to go over it again. I wanted to go over the floor again. And it's shiny. That Ultra Trap and Lock is really good on your baseboards. Perfect. Now I'm just moving over to the living room area, and this mop has really come in handy for me. I only have one closet in this apartment, and the only other storage I have is where my washing machine is, and this Swiffer wet mop fits in there perfectly just because of the way it's designed. And of course I can store the pads elsewhere, like underneath my kitchen sink is where I have those stored. So I don't have even room for a bucket. I don't have anywhere to put a bucket. So this is great.